Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Today we're making pancakes. Not just the traditional pancakes, but banana and coconut pancakes. They are super delicious, easy to make, just like the ordinary pancakes, but they have more flavor, texture, and they're definitely worth a try. Let's begin. And we'll start with mashing 2 ripe bananas. Very ripe, like the ones that you don't know what to do with when the skin goes brown and you're thinking, should I just eat them or let them go? Those ones. Just mash them with a fork on a plate. That's enough. I'm not mashing them into baby food. Into a bowl. Next, we're adding half a teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs. There's no any particular order, you just put it anything in any order you like. Very simple, like any pancake batter should be. Right, next we're adding 40 grams of soft light brown sugar. That's not much, and if you want you can add more because we are adding natural yogurt and buttermilk, which both are sort of tart, but I like that. And you probably will serve the pancakes with maple syrup or something like that. So anyway, it's up to you. I put 40 grams of soft light brown sugar and 100 grams of buttermilk or kefir, same thing in acidity, and 100 grams of natural yogurt, 50 grams of melted butter, a tin of coconut milk, which is 400 grams, a teaspoon of vanilla, pure vanilla extract, because vanilla makes everything taste better, 30 grams of shredded coconut, also called desiccated coconut, and lastly flour and baking powder. 300 grams of plain flour and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift it in. And fold it in. That's it. Don't over mix it. As soon as you see that there is no dry flour, it's done. We're not making crepes where you need a really smooth batter. For pancakes, that is a good consistency. That's it. Done. Let's go and cook them. I'm going to cook mine in clarified butter, but you can also use regular butter or oil. And about a minute and a half on each side. The first batch is ready. Look at them. Gorgeous, aren't they? Fluffy, sweet and tangy because of the yogurt and kefir, with amazing texture added with coconut and banana. You will love them. All sides of my pan fry differently. As you can see, there's a lighter, there's a darker, so just keep an eye on them. Don't leave them. A minute and a half, could be 2 minutes, could be 1. Just don't burn them. They're too precious. So I'll fry the rest of them off camera you get the gist how to make them. And what's left to do is just to pour some maple syrup on them. And now I'm just going to pour some pure Canadian maple syrup all over them. Plenty. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye!